Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how Excel remains one of the most powerful tools for business analytics, thanks to its functions, charts, and dashboards. In any business, decisions are only as good as the data behind them. Excel makes analyzing the data simple and effective. With functions like VLOOKUP, if statements, and pivot tables, you can quickly organize, filter, and calculate data from large spreadsheets. But numbers alone aren't enough, you need visuals. That's where charts come in. Excel allows you to transform raw data into line graphs, bar charts, and scatter plots, making trends and patterns easier to spot at a glance. The real game changer, though, is dashboards. By combining multiple charts, tables, and key metrics into one view, dashboards give managers and teams a real-time snapshot of performance. Whether it's tracking sales, monitoring expenses, or analyzing customer behavior, dashboards turn data into actionable insights. The best part is accessibility. Excel is widely available and doesn't require expensive software. With the right skills, anyone can use it to make smarter, faster business decisions. So, if you want to boost productivity and decision-making in your organization, mastering Excel functions, charts, and dashboards is a great place to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more insights.